Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, do you have the same thought as me? My father is always making a lot of noise when taking a bath. Okay, I will explain one by one. Bathing is the activity of washing the body from head to toe with liquid, usually using water, an aqueous solution, or by immersing the body in water. This activity can be done from personal hygienist purpose. Here, I will tell a little about my experience hearing a very noisy sound from the bathroom. It turned out that what was inside was my father. For some reason, it seemed like there was a war going on inside. The sound of taps, splashes of water falling on the floor over and over, loud nose cleansing sounds, brushing his teeth until coughs like going to vomit. Many people believe that bathroom is a favorite place for Satan in every home, and making noise in the bathroom is one of the trivial habits that invite Satan. But does a father's noisy bath also invite Satan? I wonder why is that, and after I saw it on TikTok, it's true that my dad isn't the only one, but indeed all children have the same experience as me. Not only that, there were several tweets from someone who also had the same experience as me. And then one of which is, baby he brushed their teeth till the trachea. Very funny. Oh yeah, I almost forgot one thing that can be left when dad screamed from the bathroom asking to get a towel. And then that always happens. Why he always forget to bring a towel?
Hey, Hando!
Why is that? It's a really very difficult problem to solve, a mystery until now. In my opinion, the phenomena that occurs is because a father always gets up on time maybe, instead of lingering at home, which causes him to do things in a hurry. For example, in terms of taking a shower, and this has caused a very noisy sound to be heard from outside. Because my personal experience of seeing my father being noisy in the bathroom was when he took a bath in the morning or Sunday before starting to clean the garden in the yard. Okay, I think that is all of about my story and my experience. Thank you for hearing. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.